1, 2. Do another one. Whoa, whoa.
What was it? A pink.
Hurry, back up, back up, back up. Oh. Watch. Look at it. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Alrighty, say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Say today we're going to say DIY volcano.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So we're gonna grab one of these Mentos, and then we're gonna open the pop, open it, and then throw it in there. Oh, watch! Look, 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 look! Throw another one. Put another one in there. Oh, one more. Oh, whoa! What color is that?
Green.
Green.
A green pot.
All right, let's find the next one.
A color. A blue one.
Mm-hmm.
A blue. I'll find a purple one.
What color is this?
Purple.
Purple. Okay, grab one or two. Whoa, grab another one.
What color is this?
What color is that?
A purple one.
Purple. Let's go to the next one. What color is this?
Pink.
Okay, you're gonna grab two and put two of them in there, okay? Grab two. 1, 2. 1, 2. Do another one. Whoa, whoa!
What was it? Pink.
Is that pink?
Pink. Oh.
Can we throw another one in? Let's see. Look at this yellow one. Let's see if we can do it together. Grab two of them. 1, 2. Look at it. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh!
Because it's pink.
Wow, what color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Let's go to the next one. Whoa, what color is this?
Orange.
Orange. So grab two of them. You put yours in. Watch out, back up, back up, back up. Oh. Whoa, what color is that?
Orange.
Orange. All right, let's go to the next one.
Where's that button?
Can you take the lid off?
Red.
Red. Ooh, watch out, watch out. Oh, how cool. That was red.
Red.
All right, I think we got
A blue one too.
Yeah. This one right here. Can you grab those Mentos? Say Mentos.
Mentos.
Okay, 1 second. 1 second. All right, throw it in. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, back up, back up, back up. Oh. Was that fun?
Let's try again.
Alrighty, say we had fun. Say bye, guys. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.